Good morning everyone. Myself Manjit from class 8th standard, Euro International School Kanina. Today we discuss about the conditional statement, that is if else. Now we take an example of conditional statement to check the grade of student according to their percentage. Let's begin with Python IDLE. First of all, we take an example to, like, we make a variable to store a percentage in by input function. First, we use percentage to store make by variable. Now input function, we make variable percentage and use input function to give input by user. Now we use if statement to give a condition. If a percentage get more than 90%, so a grade will be applied. Now in we use if else statement. If our if statement not get truth, so our if else statement start. And then our grade will be B. Now we apply another elif statement. If our grade will be greater than 70, so our grade apply grade C. We use one more elif statement to get if our percentage will more than 60%, so our grade D will apply. At last we apply else statement. If our all statement get wrong, so our else statement apply and grade come you only pass. Now we save that program by F5 and use file extension .py. Now we enter any percentage like 95. Our A grade is come, so our program will be right. Now we enter 85 percentage and B grade comes, so our percentage program working right. Now 45 we write, so our percentage only scored marking passing mark. So our this program working completely right. Thank you, have a nice day.